In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage users in monday.com. First, log in to your monday.com account and click your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Administration from the menu to open your account settings. In the left-hand panel, click Users to view all members in your workspace. To add a new user, click the Invite button and enter the person's email address. Choose the appropriate role for the user, such as member, admin, or viewer, then send the invitation. If you need to find a specific user, use the search bar or filters at the top of the user's page. To change a user's permissions, locate their name in the list and click their current role. Then select the new role from the drop-down menu. If you need to remove a user, find their account in the user list and select Deactivate User to immediately remove their access. If required, you can permanently delete the deactivated user from your account settings afterward. Review your user list regularly to ensure everyone has the correct level of access and permissions. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage users in monday.com. Thanks for watching.